The next requirement is identification of costs by contract line item, also known as a CLIN, and by units, as if each line item or unit were a separate contract unto itself. So when you think about an indefinite delivery, indefinite quantity contract, IDIQ type contract, you'll often have the concept of CLINs. And so each CLIN, or each task order, if you will, is a contract award unto itself. So in this example, what it's enabled us to do is identify those CLINs for a given contract by revenue type, by funding, any kind of change orders, plus any elements of cost associated with it. So in effect, a task is equal to a contract line item, or can be equal to a contract line item, and it's captured as though it were a contract unto itself under a project.